Other subtopic environmental issues like floods and droughts, forest fires, deforestation, desertifications and pollution, climate changes and global warming. Classical theory, modern theory, air mass theory, jet stream theory, El Nino and La Nino and their impact, rhythm of season, the cold weather of season, the hot weather season, the southeast monsoon season, the retreating monsoon season, climate region of India, soil in India, classification of soil structures, issues of soil degradations and soil erosion, soil conversions, natural vegetation, types of forest in India, forest covers in India, forest conservation, forest problems in forestry and community forestry, and physical geography of India. This is a subtopic for geography syllabus. And physiography of India, locations, what is geopolitical significance of India, geological divisions, the peninsular block, Himalayas and other peninsular mountains, Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plains, physiographic divisions, drainage system, drainage patterns, drainage system of India, Himalayan drainage system, river systems of Himalayan drainage, and Indus river systems, Ganga river system, Brahmaputra river system, peninsular drainage system, river systems of peninsular drainage, small river flowing towards east and west climate, factors influencing the climate of India, monsoon, mechanical of the world, monsoon, classical theory, locations, what is geopolitics. The subtopic is biogeography in geography, soil and its characteristics, soil characteristics, factors responsible for soil formations, process of soil formations, soil profiles and horizons, classifications of soil and soil degradations, erosions and conservations, vegetations regulations and types of natural vegetations, forest, significance of forest, factors of forest developments, classification of forest, forest cover, grasslands, desert vegetation, tundra vegetations, deforestations, conservations of forestation, forestrations, afforestation, forestry, social forestry, and agroforestry from forestry in community. In cyclones, again, what is thunderstorms, tornadoes, water in the atmosphere, water vapor, humidity, and absolute and relative saturations and dew points, evaporations and condensations, dew, frost, fog and mists, clouds, precipitations, rainfall, snowfall, sleet, hails, and hailstone. What is types of rainfalls and word distribution of rainfall, climatic zones of world climate, Köppen's schemes of classification of climate zones of world, next and valley winds, air mass fronts, and general circulations of atmosphere pattern of planetary winds, latitudinal and variational of atmospheric heating, emergence of pressure belts, Henle cells, Ferrel cell and polar cell, seasonal winds, local winds, land and sea breezes, mountains and valley winds, air mass fronts, and cyclones and jet streams, air and mass fronts. Next subtopic is of coral relief, issues of coral relief, coral bleaching. These are the very, very important topic that you have to prepare with. Next comes climatology. In climatology, what is atmosphere, how the composition of the atmosphere works, and structure of atmosphere, and solar radiations, heat balance and temperature, solar radiations and solutions, heating and cooling of atmosphere, terrestrial radiations, heat budget of the planet Earth and temperature, factors controlling the temperature and distribution of temperature, atmospherical circulations and weather systems, atmospherical pressure, vertical variations of pressure, horizontal distribution of pressures, and world distribution of sea level pressure, factors affecting the velocity and directions of the wind, general circulations of atmosphere, pattern of ocean currents, types of ocean currents, and major ocean currents of the world, effects of ocean currents, marine resources, sources, surface water resources, groundwater resources, and inland water resources, oceanic water resources in marine resource, utilization of oceans by man and water consumption patterns, water conversions and management techniques, ocean deposits and corals, terrigenous deposit, volcanic deposit, biotic deposits, abiotic deposits, and coral reliefs, probable origin of coral relief, types of significance of coral relief, issues of coral reefs, of ocean currents, types of ocean currents, and major ocean currents of the world, effects of ocean currents, marine resources, sources, surface water resources, groundwater resources, and inland water resources, oceanic water resources in marine resource, utilization of oceans by man and water consumption patterns, water conversions and management techniques, ocean deposits and corals, terrigenous deposit, volcanic deposit, biotic deposits, abiotic deposits, and coral reliefs, probable origin of coral relief, types of significance of coral relief, issues of coral relief. Next comes a subtopic is oceanography in geography. Hydrosphere, water on the surface on the earth, hydrospherical cycle, submarine relief features and relief on the ocean's floor, divisions of the ocean floor, minor relief features and temperatures and salinity, temperature of the ocean water, factors affecting temperatures and distributions, horizontal and vertical distributions, salinity of the ocean water and factors affecting all salinity, horizontal distribution of salinity, vertical distribution of salinity, density of ocean waters, moments of ocean waters, factors influencing moment, waves, motions of waves and characteristics of waves, tides, types of tides, importance of tides and ocean currents, characteristics of ocean currents, types of ocean currents, and major ocean currents of the world, effects and currents, winds and erosional landforms and depositional landforms, landform across the world and rivers across the world and lakes, mountains and peaks, plateaus. Next comes welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss geography syllabus. This is going to be useful for the people who are preparing for all civil service or state syllabus, state major elements of the earth's crust and physical characteristics, classifications, rocks, aggregate of minerals, classifications in that igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic and rock landforms. These are all rock landforms, and how rocks and soils forms and geomorphic process, endogenic forces, diaspropis, organic, eprogenic, and earthquakes, plate movement, volcanism, exogenic forces, denudations process, weathering and its significance. These are the very, very important topic. Mass movements and their impacts, erosion and transportations and deposition, earthquakes and volcanism, and